Thanksgiving. Get it, Haley. Happy Thanksgiving. Got some turkey, ham, cabbage, and bread.
That's like, what was you doing? Aw.
Haley's Spaz is going right for the turkey.
Of course she is.
Haley, did you like that, Haley? Go ahead, go get it. Go around so I can see you.
Oh my god.
Is that good? Is that good, baby girl? Happy Thanksgiving.
The Spaz
Oh,
with ham.
Spaz is going for ham now.
Oh.
Is that good? Look, you got a piece on the floor. There you go. Get it. There
She's
you
not
go.
Spaz. She's
Can you
so
go over there and
smart.
sit? Go over there and sit down. Sit right there. Good girl. Now wait.
Oh.
Now wait. You're so silly. Wait. If the kitty don't eat hers, you get the seconds. You get the leftovers. Get over there and wait. Over there and wait. Right there. Right here. Sit. Right here. Good girl. Is that good, Spazzy?
Sorry. It's so funny.
I even gave Spazzy a piece of cabbage, but I don't think she'll eat it.
No, or you should call it Mom on me.
Why are you staring at? Get over there and wait.
Cabbage.
Sit and wait. Stay.
Oh, Haley.
Stay. Good girl.
You should call the cabbage cabbage.
Spazzy is enjoying it. Is that good,
Come on,
Spazzy?
get the cabbage. Right,
You inhaled yours. That's why she's still eating. She didn't get more than you.
Oh my god, look at
You got a lot. Get over there and wait. Get over there and wait. Sit down right there and wait.
She's like
Right over here.
me when I want pie.
Right there. Stay. Stay.
Like a noodle.
Stay. You have to wait.
She looks like
Is that
a
good,
noodle.
Spazzy? Spazzy's liking the ham better than the turkey.
Maybe we should get her some fancy feast ham
No.
that exists.
Is that good, Spazzy?
Oh, Haley, you're such a good. Oh, I shouldn't say that.
Is that good, Spazzy? Is that good, Spaz? Meow meow.
Oh my
Is that
god.
good, Spazzy? Get your Thanksgiving meal.
Oh, it's so adorable. Why is this so adorable? I don't understand.
I don't know.
I think it's like they take such little bits.
Are y'all done? Oh, the kitty's all done. What's that mean? Haley gets the leftovers? Are you ready? Do you want it? Well, go right there and wait. Sit. Wait. Do you want the leftovers? Did you want that? Oh, wait. No, get back over there. Wait. I know it's so awful to wait. Did you want that leftovers? Yeah. Say I love you. Say I love you. No, say I love you. I love you. Get it.
Oh my
And
God.
there it goes. The vacuum cleaner. Clean it all up. Get it all. Oh, look at all that you left behind. Get it all, Haley. Get it.
The
Get it.
plate's not clean.
Show her that one little piece on the floor. Yep, she got it.
No, she didn't.
Good girl. Right there, look.
There you go.
Oh, good girl. All right, sit.
I'm not
Sit.
cleaning those plates up though.
Good girl.
Me, I helped.
What a good boy.
I didn't mean like that.
All right.